In this video, we will create a reusable resource project in watsonx.data integration. In enterprise data environments, success depends not only on building pipelines, but on building them with consistency, governance, and reuse. Reusable resource projects provide that foundation by centralizing shared assets and standardizing connections across teams. Now, let's begin the hands-on steps to create a reusable resource project. After logging into the data integration platform, navigate to the Projects page using the provided URL and click New Project, or select the plus icon on the project tile from the data integration homepage. Name the project .co assets, then click Create. Inside the project, open the Assets tab. In a separate browser tab, download the external resources.zip file using the URL provided in the lab guide and save it to your local machine. Return to the Assets page in watsonx and select Import Assets. Choose Local File from the navigation panel. Select the Data Asset option and browse to upload the downloaded zip file. Once the upload reaches 100%, click Done. Your reusable resource file has now been successfully added to the project. Next, we will add a database connection asset. To do that, click New Asset. Then select Connect to a data source. Select JDBC from the left pane of the connection list and ensure the JDBC tile is displayed. Once visible, click Next to proceed. Provide the connection name as Connection to MySQL, then enter the JDBC URL in the JDBC connection string field. Next, enter the username and password in the credential fields. You can find these configuration details in the lab guide. Once you've entered all the required details, click Test Connection to validate the setup. And after a successful validation, click Create. With both assets ready, export the project so it can be reused later or shared with your team members. Select Export Project from the Import or Export icon, choose both assets, and click Export. Then select Continue Export to proceed without removing credentials. Once the export is completed successfully, click Back to Project. Your reusable resource project is now ready and will support the next lab that follow. Now it's your turn. In the next activity, follow the lab guide to create a reusable resource project.